Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Learning Nest, Learn Afrikaans for Beginners Lesson 2 series. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about numbers 1 to 20 and how to say your age in Afrikaans. So let's get started really quickly. You can copy this table down in your books just for practice. As I said, it's just basics. Numbers 1 to 10, nommers 1 tot 10. Number 1, 1. Number 2, 2. Number 3, 3. Number 4, 4. Number 5, 5. The V in Afrikaans is pronounced as a F. Remember that. Number 6 is pronounced as sis. Number 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. Then we have numbers 11 to 20, nummers 11 tot 20. Number 11 is 11, number 12 is 12, but with an F. Number 13 is 13. 14 is 14, 14. 15 is 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20. Right. Now we have counting numbers, telnommers. So when we're saying first, we say eerste, second, tweede, third, derde, fourth, vierde, fifth, vyfde, sixth, zesde, seventh, zevende, eighth, achtste, ninth, negende, tenth, tiende. Take note of the spelling and make sure you write this down somewhere to remember or just practice it often. Next up, we have asking and saying your age in Afrikaans. So, if you were to ask someone how old are you in Afrikaans, you would say hoe oud is jy? Hoe oud is jy? And if you're to reply or answer someone about how old you are, you could say ek is jaar oud. Ek is jaar oud. I am whatever years old. I am years old. Here are a few examples. Ek is 12 jaar oud. Ek is 18 jaar oud. It's jaar, not jar, because in Afrikaans the J is pronounced as a Y. Right. Next, we have a mini quiz. You can test yourself by writing this down in your notebook, and I will provide the answers later. Here. The first question, how do you say 7 in Afrikaans? What is 15 in Afrikaans? How do you ask someone's age? How do you say your age in Afrikaans? What is 4 in Afrikaans? What is 12 in Afrikaans? What is third in Afrikaans? What is seventh in Afrikaans? Right. You can take a pause and try to answer them. Then for the mini quiz answers, here are the answers. 7 in Afrikaans is 7. 15, 15. How do you ask someone's age? Hoe oud is jy? Hoe oud, not oud. It's hoe oud is jy? How do you say your age in Afrikaans? Ek is jaar oud. What is 4 in Afrikaans? 4. What is 12 in Afrikaans? 12. What is third in Afrikaans? Derde. What is seventh in Afrikaans? Zevende. All right, here are the answers to the mini quiz questions. And great job, everybody. In lesson 3, we'll learn the days of the week in Afrikaans. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.